Hi, I'm Marie McCrory from McGrath and we're here at 4 Elliott Place in Baulkham Hills. We've got the auction today and we've had a great campaign with over 170 buyers coming through and issuing more than 30 contracts. So we're looking forward to a fantastic auction this afternoon.
Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see you back here at number 4 Elliott Place in Baulkham Hills. The managing agent for this property, Miss Marie McCrory, and her team from McGrath estate agents, I think, have done an outstanding job promoting this property and getting you here today. Over to you now, friends. An opening offer or bid to start me away. Where do we go? Where do we start, please? Hello. Hello, and we're away there with bidder number 5 at $1.2 million and 2 a bid now at 1.2. At $1.2 million, we'll go in tens. 225, all right, no problems. We'll split it at 1,225. 280, bidded there. Away from you now, sir, at 128. 1.3 and 3 a bid now at 1.3 at $1,300,000. Thank you very much. At 310 and 10 a bid there. Away from you now, sir. 20. 320. Just up the card with you. Keep it legal. Thank you very much. Bidder number 5 at 320. Bidder number 10 at 1,351. 1,352. 353. 4. At $1,354,000. 5. 6. Everybody happy at 1,356? First time called, second time called, third and final call. We all done? We all silent, ladies and gentlemen? 1,356. Sold to you, madam, for 1,356. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. McGrath can help you with anything else. Please don't hesitate. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
What a great result we had. We had 6 registered bidders and a lot of competitive bidding. With a great sale result, we've got very happy owners and obviously buyers. It was a fantastic day. So if you're thinking of selling, please feel free to call me as we would love to help you.